What a slide!
I'm not even got my gun, I'm going for missiles only. You go for missiles, yeah. So if I get cover off people, I can get them. Okay?
Yeah, we're good.
Got a flashbang, where are they? Yeah, got a flash, where are they?
It's going to have to be a long throw, but literally at R12, big throw. That's alright, that. Oh, on the bunts, what a shot!